Hi, I'm Amanda, and I am a school psychologist at two schools, Sunrise and Desert Mountain. And today I'll be reading a book called Busy Trucks on the Go. This is written by Eric Odie, and this is a book that I like to read a lot to my two sons. All right. Drivers honk to say hello. Busy trucks are on the go, building bridges, fixing roads, lifting big and heavy loads. Town to town and here to there, busy trucks are everywhere. Here's a truck that's loud and big. Excavator loves to dig. Next is dump truck, large and strong. Watch him move that dirt along. Concrete mixer roars and rumbles. See his drum, it turns and tumbles. Soon he opens up his spout. All the concrete rushes out. Hear him rumble, watch him run. Big bulldozer gets things done. Scooping rocks and dirt and sand. Here he comes to lend a hand. Freight trucks carry clocks and cakes, books and boots and garden rakes. Through the mountains, up and down, there they go from town to town. What a busy farm today. Tractor pulls a load of hay. Later he will till the rows where the corn and cabbage grows. Here's a car that cannot go. Who will give this car a tow? Who will come to save the day? Mighty tow trucks on the way. Oh no. Mail truck stops at homes and stores, bringing letters to their doors. School is starting, climb inside. School bus gives the kids a ride. Fire trucks have work to do. Move aside and let them through. If there is a fire about, pumper truck will put it out. Is there someone hurt or stuck? Here comes paramedic truck. Rumble, rattle, clatter, crash. Garbage trucks collect the trash. Up and down from street to street. Soon the town is clean and neat. Now recycle truck is here. Watch those papers disappear. Cans and bottles, boxes too. One day there'll be something new. City bus makes many stops, bringing folks to stores and shops. Who's this busy truck we meet? Cleaning up the city street. Big street sweepers right on time, scrubbing off the gunk and grime. Now it's time to stop and rest. Busy trucks have done their best. Moon and stars are shining bright. Busy trucks will say good night. And that's the end. Thank you so much for reading with me.